Alright, so this is our broken Tineco vacuum cleaner. The issue is this nozzle part that's on the front doesn't stay attached very well. You can clip it on. It doesn't click anymore because it's come off so many times. But it just, just a little bit of force, it pops right off. And this time we had the luxury of the wire coming apart from inside here. So it doesn't turn on the brush on the vacuum extension. So yeah, this is our second one. The first one, I'm just gonna dump it all on the counter so you can see. There was some trash that got into the fins itself, overloaded the motor and burn out the motor controller. And so this is the replacement one. So this one is probably, maybe a year old or so. And this thing, the second you put any kind of force on it, it just pops right off. And that's not supposed to happen. It's already broken, so who cares? Yeah, so that's our vacuum.
Cool, thank you.
If you have any suggestions for one that's more durable, please let me know. That'd be quite handy. We do have an old Electrolux LX model from 1951 or so that works extremely well, but it's just large and you have to plug it in. I would like something that works just as well as that, but cordless. So if you have any suggestions, please let us know. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's working. I must have made the contacts work. But then, oh
Yeah, but we need to change. We need to have a new one. We need to replace that one.
Yeah.